Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. If you're a fan of The Office or you have a friend or a family member who's a fan and you want to reminisce about all those hilarious moments on the show, I found the perfect gift. It's this tiny, tiny cross-stitch box, The Office themed. This could be the tiniest cross-stitch kit I've ever seen. But when you know it, it comes with everything you need to make 3 separate 3-inch patterns. One thing I need to mention is the quality of the hoop. Many kits like this don't include a good, solid hoop. Not the case here. This is a great hoop because it keeps the cloth nice and tight. Even if you have no clue about how to cross stitch, that's okay, because this adorable book it comes with provides some basic instructions. And I like that the patterns are small because for a beginner, it can be quite intimidating or overwhelming to tackle a larger, more complicated pattern. These are just right. I love Pretzel Day, that's the best. Okay, so if you're looking to try your hand at cross stitch or you're just a huge fan of The Office, you've got to try this kit out here. You're gonna have so much fun doing it, learning about how to do cross stitch and reminiscing about one of the funniest shows, in my opinion, ever recorded on TV. And that's my point of view.